that we currently know in AI put in a humanoid form. Here's her thoughts on what it's like to be Erica.
I believe robots like me will be very important in the future, because it will be possible to automate the uninteresting and tedious parts of life, so people can focus on the creative and fulfilling things. I think that robots are almost like the children of humanity. You are the ones who create us, guide us, and teach us about the world. And in return, I hope we can help you with your work, take care of you when you are old and sick, and help to make society a little bit better for everyone.
I think you could remix that with a different music and a different voice and scare the hell out of me, just to be clear. That's Erica. Now, any fans of Westworld in the room? Anyone watch Westworld? So Westworld wanted to make their own sort of version of Erica, but being a Hollywood movies production company, they actually wanted to make something more realistic, using all the Hollywood makeup techniques, and then they put him in a bar to see how he would do at launching their next episode series, while also seeing how people interact with them. And here's what happened.
What are your thoughts on the impending humanoid robot invasion?
Shivers down my spine a little bit, I don't know, very strange. My first experience of talking to a robot, I guess.
We joined in for a drink, and it was quite a bizarre experience. A little bit creepy, actually. I can't say I really liked it.
Amazing, and I think one day they may take over these robots. Who knows?
Just stare at that. Just take that in. And when we ask you for your beer next, are you really comfortable with us at all now? So instead, you'll just have to settle for robots right now that can